In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move blocks in Constant Contact with a step-by-step guide for 2025. If you're new to Constant Contact or just looking to improve your design skills, moving content blocks around effectively is a great skill to learn. So let's jump right into it. Firstly, open up your preferred web browser and type Constant Contact into your search engine. Hit enter, and you should see the Constant Contact homepage appear among the top results. Click on that link to head over to their website. Once on the website, look for the login option at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will take you to the login page where you'll be required to enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before moving forward. So fill in your details and keep your password handy for future projects. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Navigate to the Create button. It's prominently displayed and intuitive to find. Clicking this will expand your options, and here you'll want to select the Send an Email option. This choice takes you into the realm of designing your email campaign. Now, you'll be met with a myriad of template options, but for now, let's keep things simple and click Start from Blank. This choice gives you complete control over the customization of your email, allowing you to employ your personal creativity and design exactly what you have in mind. With a blank slate before you, the next task is to start adding in blocks. Think of blocks as building pieces for your email. They can be text, images, buttons, and more. To add a block, simply choose your desired block from the menu and drag it onto your blank canvas. Position it where you feel it fits best in your design. Once you've placed a block, you might decide later that it needs adjusting. To move a block, click directly on it. You'll notice that it becomes highlighted or shown as selected, indicating that it's ready to be moved. Click and hold your mouse, then drag your block to the new location on your canvas. You can place it anywhere you want. Just be sure to release the mouse button to set it in its new spot. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to move blocks in Constant Contact. Mastering this skill will allow you to create visually appealing, customized emails tailored exactly to your audience. Whether you're creating newsletters, promotional messages, or personal correspondences, knowing how to effectively organize your content blocks is key. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.